Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix shoulder triggers pressing randomly on your RedMagic 11R smartphone. So this issue is often triggered by poorly calibrated sensitivity settings in game mode of your smartphone, and to fix that we're gonna have to access the game center by holding down this side button for a couple of seconds, and once we are in the game center we're gonna have to go to settings by tapping right here, then select the adjust operation tab and change your touch sampling rate, so we can choose between ultra high sampling rate or high sampling rate, and we can also adjust the sensitivity in this menu, and if you feel like it's too much, then you can lower it up to -2 points, yeah, so these two settings are the ones requiring calibration, so just change them, then try accessing your game once again and see how it affected your gameplay experience. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Besides, you can also navigate to the very bottom of this menu and disable edge accidental touch protection, or enable it and adjust it to your needs by selecting the size of the edges. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.